Booking requests and booked jobs. The Booking Requests page allows clients to submit and manage traffic management work requests directly through the Smart Roads client portal. Clients can create a new request by entering project details, selecting a provider, choosing the work location on the map, setting dates and work times, and adding road work locations and traffic management methods. The form also includes fields for TMP references, work descriptions, special instructions, and supporting document uploads such as TMPs, permits, drawings, and approvals. A live request summary panel updates automatically while the form is being completed, helping clients review their booking information before submission. Once submitted, requests appear in the Booking Requests list where clients can view request details, track booking status, see assigned staff numbers, and monitor whether the request is pending or approved. Approved requests are converted into confirmed bookings and linked directly to the created job. The Booked Jobs page allows clients to view all confirmed traffic management bookings in one place. Clients can search and filter jobs by provider, date, or status, and switch between list, calendar, or map views for easier job tracking and scheduling. Overall, these pages help clients create, monitor, and manage traffic management bookings efficiently from one central portal.